show you how to make a paper boat. Also, we're going to play a game with Superman. So first, you...
Actually, that was a plan that we aren't going to do anymore.
Okay, so, on the table. So you fold one like this. You can use any...
Just like a hot dog fold. Like, if this is a paper,
If it's a warm paper, say it's this, you fold it to the side.
okay.
And then you fold one down. So you have four square if you unfold it, but don't unfold it. Keep it like a little bit like so. Then you fold it at one. Okay? And then you fold triangles from the folded side. So you can't, not this side, not this side. You see how it's up here, the side that's folded. You can do that on each of the lines that you folded before in the first, from the first one, four square. And then you fold corners like this.
Making brownies with Batman over there.
And then you fold this, so you have a corner on the bottom. And if you did it right, then you should be able to do that. And then you fold it on the other side. Like, so you have two corners folded up. And then fold them each up. Fold the part up so you have like a triangle. And then you repeat it on the back, right here. But it might be a little bit harder since it's on the other side. Chapter 2 came out a few days ago, by the way.
Yeah, that's why he's making a remake of the paper boat.
And by the way, I actually got to go see
because you know how
And we're actually probably going to start making videos with a kid named Cameron. He goes to James' school, Superman school.
That because of Batman and Superman, like on the making brownies with Batman, I told you that what our names really were, and yeah.
Yeah. So you should have the triangle now after you like fold each triangle on the front. So you see how you fold it underneath? You fold
the triangle is the Illuminati boat. It's the Illuminati boat.
Now, if you were paying attention, you should figure out how to do right here.
Then
you go to the bottom and open that up like this. And put that. And the better the pieces are, the better the thing is. You open it up like that, and then you let that go down there, so you should have this.
Because rhombus is square, whatever.
Yeah, you should
like
have
that. And
now you should see like me. Then you can, and it depends how tall you want your this to be. You just put it like around the middle of your boat to make it, but just do it pretty low. And then you do the same exact thing on the other side, like that. So you should fold them both up like that. Same side, same thing. Then you should do the same thing that we did with the other paper boat, with the other part of it, and do this. So you should have this now. Then you just have to fold these up like this on each side. So you should have this. Then you pull on these two things. You have your paper roll. So you just have to like,
okay,
then you have to
now we're gonna go in the bathroom and see how long this paper boat lasts before it becomes a big paper mess.
Are we gonna use soap at the bottom for floating?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We'll also and we're just gonna give you a sneak peek of the tour of this house and our mother's house.
We're not even gonna. Okay, remember? Hold on. If I do this, does this look familiar to you? Hey, I'm making brownies for Batman.
Yeah, I remember that video.
Okay, we're beyond point right now. So let's go see. Oh, hold on. Never mind. Someone in there. We could do it in a,
Or we could just play a round of the game.
yeah.
Now, guys, you're actually going to film a few games instead, actually.
We're gonna put the paper boat aside, and if you want a part 2, make sure to like the video, subscribe,
If we get,
pop the like button.
okay.
Pop that like
Okay,
button.
can I tell you something? Fortnite Chapter 2 came out a few moments ago. I just got 200.
Okay, so we're gonna if you want a part, we're gonna do part 2 anyway. Just like the video, pop the like button. We're gonna subscribe. You're gonna subscribe. You gotta subscribe right now.
And I hope you have. If you didn't listen, then you shouldn't have this. Or you just
and
need to do it
it's
anyway.
not sponsored by Crayola paper. Was that Crayola paper? Not sponsored. Not sponsored, okay?
And
So, yeah, I'm just gonna
you don't have to buy it. If you
go
don't
behind
want
you real quick.
it. Oh, can I just tell you, it's not really a sponsor.
I'll give you bunny ears.
Okay, it's not a sponsor, but I'm gonna tell you about a game, and you might love it. It's called, it's a game that was on PlayStation and a bunch of other consoles. It's Fortnite, and a lot of people know about it. And
Okay, you don't need to talk about Fortnite. Everyone knows about it. You could have just talked about like Modern Warfare 2 or something.
Modern Warfare 2 came out on Call of Duty.
And if you want to see us play Jeopardy in our next video,
Actually, I'm not playing because I don't have any.
fine. Okay. Okay, guys, which game should we play? Comment down below.
And we actually have one game.
Comment down below what
and
game.
This right here, a table football. Should we play table football?
Should we play table football? Should we play Monopoly when we're gonna bring a new person out? It's our father. Should we play Battleship? Should we play Operation Labyrinth, Life, Candyland, Family Feud,
Any game that you see here.
Jeopardy? Hopefully you say Jeopardy.
Don't say Jeopardy, actually. 'Cause
Okay,
I don't know
fine.
No Jeopardy.
Laser Maze. But even if they do say Jeopardy, we still have to play.
Okay, we're gonna do like a vote, but Jeopardy. Well, I don't know any.
Well,
of the
don't
answers.
try not. Okay, if you pick Jeopardy, we still are gonna play. Just you shouldn't pick Jeopardy. Good deal, because they might not. They might feel nice.
But,
They might feel a little mean.
Okay, we're gonna give you 3
We
days.
play Apples to Apples Junior.
We're gonna
Clue, headbands.
We're gonna give you about 3
There's another Clue, but that one has a missing piece. Jenga. Or Jenga, but that one doesn't have any pieces. Jumbling Tower Jenga.
Oh,
Or,
and if you
and not sponsored by Hasbro, but we could play Twister, but like, where would we play Twister?
can I show you all the Hasbro games we have?
Okay, we're each gonna pick 3 games, and we're each gonna pick 3 games to vote on, so we're gonna have 6 games, and we're gonna play 2 games in our next video.
And the 6, I'll name 3. You name
And,
3.
and no, hold on, I need to say hold on. And then, we're gonna be, we're gonna basically,
And a lot of people might actually not even know our channel.
you pick 1 vote from me, and 1 vote from him, and that's what games we're gonna play.
And we're gonna
Okay,
play-
so what games are we gonna play? What games do you
Actually,
think?
I have an idea. What if we just played a game right now? One quick game of like.
No, because we're already in like 10 minutes, so what are we gonna, just pick a vote on a game.
Any game you can see. Any
3
game.
games, 3 games.
And here, there's games there, and table football. Don't please choose table football. I
Okay.
love it.
No, but you have to pick 3 games.
Table football, I love it. So I really want you guys to choose it.
And
And
2 more.
And I'm just gonna show you how easy it is.
2
to
more.
touch down.
2 more. 2 more games.
Labyrinth game that pretty fun, but 2 to 4 players. And the final game you choose.
No, because you have to pick the game and then I pick free.
Okay. Or we're gonna play. And or did I say table football?
Hmm?
Table football, labyrinth, and who knows me better, or who knows James better? You guys can comment on that if you choose that. Somebody's gonna.
So who knows somebody better?
Yeah,
but you
who-
have to say who. I'm gonna pick what games we should play. I think we should play Clue, Apples to Apples,
I'm gonna take
or
away labyrinth.
Masterminds.
Guys, I'm gonna take away labyrinth or Rummy Cube.
What?
I'm just kidding. It's the labyrinth. Labyrinth, table football, or what did I say?
Okay, I'm gonna say Family Feud, Mastermind, and Apples to Apples.
Choose one of those 6 games. Choose one from each of us. Whatever one has the most. And we need a lot of people doing this because we're gonna give you half a day. No, a few days, but we don't know when. Maybe I think we might do the games at the beginning of December.
Okay.
So
Good to know.
give you
We're gonna run out of space and we're gonna run out of time to have a song in the background. So here we go. Bye, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We're gonna be posting it in 5 minutes after we film it. Here we go.